Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to go over the profit for the ES futures and the NASDAQ futures for August 30th. So before I start, I just wanted to tell you for our ES futures, our bullish entry was 4512.50. Our targets were 4516.25, 4520.50, and 4524.25. Our bearish entry is 4503 with targets of 4500, 4498.75, and 4494.50. I was scaling out 10 contracts each on the ES. On the NASDAQ futures, our bullish entry was 15500. Targets are 15526, 15557, and 15608. And I scaled out 10 contracts on the first target and 5 and 5 on the second and third target. For our bearish entry, it was 15375 for the NASDAQ futures, and this is buying 20 contracts. Our target was 15350, 15330, and 15315. And that was scaling out 10, 5, and 5. Let me just check one thing here. Okay, just making sure it's right. All right, here we go. It just hit our first entry point long on the ES. Let me speed it up a little. Just hit our first target on the ES. Just hit our first entry on the NASDAQ. And it hit our, okay. I think it hit our stop and went back, okay. It hit our first entry on the NASDAQ. I'm sorry, that was the first target. ES and NASDAQ hit the second target, and then the ES hit the third target. So we have one more target left for the NASDAQ. I'm letting this close out at the end of the market session. Okay, let me speed it up just a little. It hit our last target on the NQ. All right, we'll just let this run. I mean, it pretty much hit our target, so we can end here, or let me let it go to 3, but it won't go anywhere else because all our targets already hit. go. All right. That was 11,750 for the ES and 18,730 for the NQ. Total of 30,480. Oh, this is the wrong one. Why is this up? Sorry, let me get to my, this was from the other day. Let's go back and, there we go. So profit for the day was 30,480. The ES futures, we bought 30 contracts. We got a profit of 11,750, and profit per contract came out to $392 each. NASDAQ futures was 20 contracts. Our total profit for the NQ was $18,730, which came out to about $937 per contract. All right, I hope everyone has a good evening, and stay tuned for tomorrow.